How to add family members on your Spotify premium account right now in front of you, just from your PC or on your laptop. I'm using laptop for this. This is my Spotify account right now on my screen, but if I have to check that I have premium or not, I have to click on my profile option. Once I will click on it, as you can see, this is explore premium option here. I have to click on it, and the charge is about like this. But in the subscription list, we can see after subscribing it, we can simply add a family group or we can add members in it. As you can see, this is the family pack here that is for 179 rupees for about 2 months. In this, you can control content marked as explicit. You can subscribe at one time and you can use it to your premium account with help of your family group available. As you can see, this is the premium family group subscription I'm subscribing right now. I can enter the UPI address here to complete the transaction, and after I will have the premium account, I will be able to do this thing. Then I will be able to create a family account also. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.